डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है। ला तोमादिना इज a food fight festival held on the last Wednesday of August each year in town of Bunol near to Valencia in Spain. Thousands upon thousands of people make their way from all corners of the world to fight in this world's biggest food fight where more than 100 metric tons of over ripe tomatoes are thrown in the street since 2013. Official ticketing has been in place, limiting the number of participants to at just 20,000 lucky people. There is a limited accommodation for people who come to La Tomadino. So many people take the easier option of staying in nearby Valencia, just 38 kilometer to Bunol by bus or train. In preparation for the dirty mess that will ensure, shopkeepers use huge plastic covers on their storefronts in order to protect them from carnage. At around 11 a.m., many trucks haul the bounty of tomatoes into center of the town, Plaza del Pueblo. The tomatoes come from Extremadura, where They are less expensive. Technically, the festival does not begin until one brave soul has climbed to the top of a two-story high greased up wooden pole and reached the coveted hem at the top. In practice, this process takes a long time and the festival starts despite no one reaching the meaty prize. The signal for the beginning of the fight is firing of water cannons and the chaos begins. Once it begins, the battle is generally every man for himself. After an 1 hour, the fighting ends. At this point, no more tomatoes can be thrown. The cleaning process involves the use of fire trucks to spray down the streets with water provided from a Roman aqueduct. The authorities seem more concerned with cleaning the town than cleaning the visitors. So some people find water at the Vunol River to wash themselves, although some kind residents will pose pass passers why down once the tomato pulp is flushed, the ground is cleaned due to the acidity of tomato. The rules of La Tomatina Do not bring bottles or hard objects as they can cause accidents and hurt other participants. Do not rip other pupils' t-shirts. You must squash the tomatoes before throwing them, as this reduces the impact. Ensure you keep a safe distance from from the lorries as soon as you hear the second shot. You must stop throwing tomatoes. Useful advice: wear closed shoes that you do not mind throwing away afterwards. If you wear flip flops, you may get hurt, or you could lose them easily during the battle. Wear old clothes or clothes that you are not planning to wear again. They will mostly likely end up damaged from being ripped or incredibly dirty. Full stop.